female, right? Male or female. The next one is select your hobbies. Okay. For hobbies, you will be taking music, reading books. Okay, and the next one, what you will take, and languages, whatever the languages you know. Okay, and one submit button here you will take. Okay, this is one submit button. So whatever the data you will fill there, that will be displayed here. Okay, either it will display bottom or it will display on the next page. Okay. So all of you go to file and open new project. So is my screen visible now? Android Studio, how many of you installed Android Studio on your systems? Please respond. How many of you installed Android? Please all of you copy down this name for creating registration page. These are the things we required. Okay. Registration page. For creating registration page, these are the things required. Okay. Name, mobile, email, password, either male or female. For male or female, you will be taking radio boxes, right? And for playing check boxes, see for music, reading books, you will take check boxes. Okay. And for languages, you will take here one spinner. Okay. For name here, you will be taking one edit text. Okay. Is my screen visible for everyone? Please respond. Edit text. Okay. Is my voice audible for everyone? Hello? Hello?
Your voice is audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Is my screen visible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, what is the thing? It is what is it is visible for you?
Registration page, ma'am.
Okay. For email, for name, you are going to take one edit text, and for mobile number also, you are going to take here one edit text. Okay. For email also, you are going to take here one edit text. Okay. Edit text, and for password also, you are going to take here one edit text. Okay. These are all views. Okay. And for male and female, you are going to take here radio button you are going to take. Okay. For checking the music here, you are going to take here one checkbox. Checkboxes you are going to take. And for selecting the languages, you are going to take here one spinner. Okay. And for submit, you are going to take here one button, right? The thing is here, what means, see, when you're writing the name, the first letter need to be capital. So here, the input type that you need to take is, input type is, what is the thing you are going to take? Input type, text, cap words. So these are all called attributes, right? Text, cap words. See, whenever you run an app, the starting letter will be capital. So for that, what you need to add, the attribute is text, cap words. Okay. And for mobile number, what is the attribute you need to add? Input type you need to add. Input type you need to add mobile or number you need to add. Okay. Then you'll be getting the keypad as only numbers you'll get. Okay. You need to add here mobile or number. For email address, what is the input type you are going to add? Text email address is the input type you need to add. Okay, text email address. For password, what is the input type you are going to add? You can add either text password or number password. You can add anything. Okay, these four are called input types. Okay. So all of you take down this one onto your notes. For name, we are going to take edit text, and input type we are going to take text cap words. Okay, for mobile number we are going to take one edit text, and the input type we are going to take either mobile or number. And for email we are going to take edit text, that is text email address. Okay, for password also we are going to take one edit text, and we are going to take either text password or number password we are going to take. Okay, the next one is two radio buttons we are going to take. One for for female. Okay, and the next one are check boxes. Okay, check boxes for checking. Okay, and for languages in the sense, see, you are from Telugu, Hindi, English, like that languages. Okay, what are the items you are going to fill? After giving the details, the name, email, mobile, password, mail, music. After that, you need to click on submit. When you click on submit, your details will be displayed down the app. Okay, down the app means here. Here you will take one text view. There it will be displayed. Okay. Then what is text view? Text view is a view group. Okay. See, in edit text, we are going to take, these are all attributes, right? Okay, if you observe here, this linear layout is, what is linear layout? This is view group. Okay, and inside linear layout we are going to add, see, Android colon layout with this, these are called attributes. Okay, with height, ID, all these are called attributes. So all of you go to file here. All of you go to file, click on new project. So today we will complete the designing part, and in tomorrow's session we will complete the thing. Okay. Click on empty activity and click on next. See here, your package name should be, your name of the project is registration. Okay. If you learn this app, it will be very helpful for you to create any app on your own. Any data entering app you can create. Okay. So package name should be unique. Unique in the sense, suppose if the package name is same as in the Play Store, it will tell package name already existed. Okay, and click on here. What is the language that you are using? Java or Kotlin? Please respond. What is the language that you are going to use to create an Android app? What is the language that you are using, Java or Kotlin? Please respond. What is the language that you are using?
Kotlin, ma'am.
Okay, then select Kotlin. Okay, select the language is Kotlin and click on finish. Okay. When you click on finish, the app will create new interface screen. See, Okay, the screen is going to build now. See, it is building. So meanwhile, what you guys will do means, see, all of you copy down this thing. These are the items that are required to create a registration page. Okay. If you have completed, please let me know. Okay. Now all of you change this constraint layout to the linear layout. Okay. So you can change the constraint layout to the linear layout. So this is called view group. Okay. So constraint layout is a view group and these are called views. Okay. Text view is a view. Okay. So the app is still building. Okay. See here, my app is still running. So what you guys will do means, see here, instead of constraint layout, remove that constraint layout and add their linear layout and give the orientation as vertical. Okay. Okay, the layout was built. See, please respond how many of you install Android Studio on your systems. Okay, all of you change it. So all of you click on the palette here. See, this is the palette here. In this palette, we are going to have here. See, all these are views. Okay. Text, buttons, widgets, layouts, containers, helpers. See, these are all our views. See, text view, button, image view, recycler view. See, okay. And these are called layouts. Okay. What are layouts? Constraint layout, linear layout horizontal, linear layout vertical, frame layout, table row, and space. Okay. Now, how to change the constraint layout to the linear layout? See, this is the component tree, right? See here, click over it. When you click over it, click on right click here. Okay. If you click on right click here, when you right click here, you will get convert view. Okay. Click over it. See convert view. Click on convert view and here you need to change linear layout. Okay, click on linear layout and apply. See, if you apply here automatically, it was changed to the linear layout, right? And see, if you observe, it was defaultly, it was taken the horizontal. So, I am going to add, again, I am going to click on it and I'm going to convert to the vertical, okay? Convert orientation to the vertical, right? And here you need to change the height as wrap content, okay? Wrap underscore content. Okay, after that, see here, width, height, and text, okay? Remove this remove this with, and here you need to give match parent, okay? With is match parent. See, if you given with is match parent, it is going to occupy the whole screen, right? And here, instead of hello world, I am going to take here registration page. Text is registration page. The text is registration page, and if you want to increase the size, you need to give TS. No need of writing any code, just type TS. If you type TS, automatically in the suggestions, what are the names with the TS, it is coming, right? So click on TS, and the text size you need to give. See, if you give 30 SP, the size is going to increase. See, it was increased somewhat. And if you want to increase, so you can give 40 SP also. See, now it was nice to look, right? And now what I want means I want that registration page to be occupy center. So I am going to give here the gravity, layout gravity to center, okay? Still it was not moved. So I am going to add here Android colon gravity. See, Android colon gravity equal to center. Name was moved to the middle, right? Yes or no? Please respond. It was moved or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now I'm going to add here one background color. See, if you want to add text color, see what you need to give. Just click on T and C. Okay, if you click on T and C, Android colon color, see hash, and if you give 3 zeros, automatically the default color is black. So it was came to the black. Now here you need to click on that black and click on that red. Whatever the color you want, you can select. See, the text was changed to the red color, right? And again, I want to add TS, text style. See, I want to add text style. See, it is as bold. See, now the text was changed to the bold. Yes or no? See, now is it visible for everyone? So the first one is completed, right? Now next I am going to add here edit text. See here, edit text. See, width I am going to give it as match parent, and height I am going to take it as wrap content, right? And ID I am going to take it as name. Okay, name. And hint I am going to take here is enter the name. Okay, enter the name. So the input type I'm going to take here is input type is text cap words. Why? Because the starting letter need to be capital. So the input type I'm going to take is text cap words. If I take in the text cap words, the starting letter will be capital, right? And now I'm going to close it, right? Yes or no? And what I'm going to add here means, see here, I'm going to add here padding also. See, if I apply padding, see, Android column padding equal to 20 dp. See, the text was moved somewhat to the front, right? Okay, see, the line was increased, right? And now the name was completed here, right? And And again, I am going to add here. What is the next thing we need to add? Please respond. Width as match parent and height as wrap content. And ID I am going to take. ID, what is the thing we are going to take now? The second one, in paint I had said no. What is the thing? Please respond. What is the next thing? Please respond. What is the next thing? In paint, I already said for you what is the next thing. Mobile, right?
Mobile number, ma'am.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, mobile number and hint I'm going to take mobile number. I'm going to take the ID as mobile and hint I'm going to take enter the mobile number. Okay, that is the hint. And input type I'm going to take as C. Mobile number will be in number only, so I'm going to take here number. Okay, and now I'm going to close it, right? The next one is again I'm going to take one edit text with as match parent and height as wrap content and ID I'm going to take it here. What is the next thing?
Email, ma'am.
Okay, email I'm going to add here. See, email hint is enter the email input type text email address. Okay, and now going to close the tag. Okay, see, enter email address. Now next one is edit text with as match parent and height as wrap content and ID I'm going to take. What is that ID? What is the
Password, ma'am.
ID?
Password.
Okay, password. Okay, and hint I'm going to give here. Enter the password. Okay, hint మనం బటన్ కి ఎలా రాస్తామో టెక్స్ట్ అని ఎడిట్ టెక్స్ట్ కూడా హింట్ అలా అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? అండ్ input type you can give it as text or text password or number password, you can give anything, right? So I'm going to take here text password. If you want number password, you can take number password also. Okay, then no need of writing validations. Okay, why? Because we are giving the input type here, right? And next one is, what is the next one we are going to take here? Radio buttons it has wrap content, height also wrap content, and ID I'm going to give here mail, and text I'm going to take here is mail. And now see here, and now I'm going to close the tag, right? And next time again I'm going to take here radio button with as wrap content, height as wrap content. Okay, see, I'm not even writing anything, just I'm for ID female. Okay, ID is female. Text, see what is the text? Female. Now I'm going to close it. So if you observe here, so male and female need to be side by side, right? I want both male and female to be side by side. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to add here one linear layout, wrap content, and orientation I'm going to give horizontal. See, if I given here orientation is horizontal, it will come side by side. Sorry. So I'm going to add here radio group. So radio group. I'm going to add here radio group. Okay, I'm going to add radio group with as wrap content. Height also I'm going to take wrap content. And now here I am going to give the orientation as horizontal. And now I'm going to close the tag. So here in middle you need to add the code. Products and add in between of radio groups, right? Now if you add, both will come side by side, right? So you need to add here. Right, if you observe, both male and female are coming side by side. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And now I'm going to add here hobbies. Okay. For hobbies, I'm going to add checkbox. Width I'm going to give wrap content, height I'm going to give wrap content, and ID also I'm going to take here. Hmm, playing music. Playing music, and text I'm going to give the same music. And now I'm going to close the tag. Okay. And in the same way, I'm going to take here checkbox. Okay. Checkbox, enter, with as wrap content, height also wrap content. And now here I'm going to take ID as cricket. Okay. Text and cricket. Cricket is the ID. Okay. For uniqueness, I'm going to add it, right? And another checkbox also I'm going to take with as wrap content, height also wrap content, and I'm going to give here is uh, reading books. Okay, reading books. Okay, and text here I'm going to give reading books. Okay. And now I'm going to close the tag. Okay, if you observe now here, I'm going to add here one linear layout with as wrap content, height also wrap content, and I'm going to give here the orientation. See, I want music, cricket, reading books side by side. So I'm going to add one linear layout and I'm going to give it here orientation as horizontal. And now I'm going to close the tag. This is self-closing. No, I don't want self-closing. So I'm going to cut this one, Control X, Control V. See, now everything was side by side, right? Okay, next what you need to add? Spinner. For selecting the languages, you are going to add one spinner. See here, select spinner. Spinner width as match parent and height as wrap content and ID as languages. The ID is the languages and languages. Entry is here you need to Android colon entry is equal to and after that you need to close the tag here. So So in the values folder, you need to click on strings.xml and here you need to add the values. Okay. String array. Here you need to add languages. Okay. What are the languages? You need to add here and click over the tag. In this array, you need to add the items. Telugu, Hindi, English. Telugu, Hindi, English, and Urdu. So whatever the languages you want, you can add. Okay, here you need to add the first item as select your language. Okay, that is the thing you need to add here. Select language. Okay, now you need to call this array there. Okay, how you will call @array languages, right? And now close the tag. So if you click on that spinner, automatically you'll be getting the languages. Okay, and now here you need to take one button. Okay, button width as match parent and height as wrap content, and ID also you need to take there display, and text also display. Okay, see there display you are getting, and now close the tag. Okay, after display button, what you need to do, you need to add here one text view. Why you are going to add the text view? See, after filling name, mobile, email, password, you'll select either male or female, or you'll select the you'll be selecting what check boxes. After that, you'll select the what are the languages you will select. Okay, after that you will be clicking on that display button. Okay, when you click on the display button, whatever the thing you have entered there, that will be displayed down here, right? So for that you are going to add here one text view with as match parent and height as wrap content, and ID also you add ID. What is the ID? Text ID, right? And text result, default take result, right? And now I'm going to close it. Okay, that is the thing. Now the registration page was completed, right? Now what I want means I want so now what I need means, see, I want to add some background color. So my page was looking somewhat slow, somewhat light. Now I'm going to add a background color for it. So I'm going up here. So instead of wrap content, I'm going to add here match parent. Okay, I'm going to add match parent. And now here I'm going to add a background color. Android colon background hash 3 zeros. See, the default one is black, right? So instead of black color, I'm going to click over it. So I'm going to add pink color. See, see what are the color you want, you can select from here, right? See, is it okay now? The background color. Is it okay? I'll repeat once again. See, we have created a linear layout, and I have given the orientation as vertical, right? I have taken one time for text view. What I have done, I have given here the text as registration page, and the attribute what is the attribute that I have given? Android colon gravity equal to center. So that is the attribute that I have given, and text style equal to bold, and text color and text size, right? So the text is as match page app content. The ID that I have given is name. Hint that I have taken is enter the name. So input type I have given text cap words. The starting letter need to be capital. So I have given text cap words as the input type. Okay. Number is the number. Input type is number. See, if you given the number, you will be getting the keypad as you will be getting the keypad only numbers is the keypad you are getting, right? And for email address also, the input type you have taken text email address. So no need of writing validations, directly you can run. So what is the input type for password? Text password. So you can take text password, or if you want, you can take number password also. So I want two radio buttons side by side. So I have taken here radio group, and I have given the orientation is horizontal. Okay, after that, I have taken the linear layout, and I have given the orientation is horizontal, and I have added here checkboxes. See, three checkboxes I have added. See, the first checkbox is for music, the second one is for cricket, and the third one is for reading books. So whatever you want, you can check it. Okay. And next, I have added here one spinner. So spinner is for selecting the languages, right? So in this array, in strings.xml, I have added some languages. So in this array, the name of the array is language, right? So in this array, I have added some items, right? So I need to call these items here. So Android colon entries equal to @array slash languages. So whatever the name you have written there, the same name you need to call. Suppose if you have written here LAN, so here also you need to call array slash LAN. Okay, after that I have taken here one button. So what are the details you have entered that need to be displayed down. So for displaying, I have taken here one text view. So that is the thing, right? So I am going to copy the code here. Control A, Control C. I'm going to paste it here in the chat box. Okay. So in this session, we have completed the designing part, right? And in tomorrow's session, we will complete the coding part.